In this video, I am going to show you how to create a next-level cinematic AI video using Runway Gen-3. So, if you're not already familiar with Runway, let me tell you, they are pioneers in AI video generation. They've developed incredible tools, like video-to-video and automatic rotoscope that have redefined how we create content. Last year, they made a huge splash with their image-to-video model, which became the standard. But with the recent launch of Runway Gen-3, the game has changed entirely. For filmmakers, this is a massive shift because image-to-video allows for much greater consistency in your shots, enabling you to tell more cohesive and engaging stories. Without this feature, creating an AI-based film would be much more challenging. In this video, I'll break down the entire process of creating a cinematic AI video. But before we dive in, let me show you an example of what this powerful technique can achieve. Let's take a look. As you can see, the results from Runway Gen-3 are quite breathtaking. Thanks to image-to-video, I was able to create a character that looks similar to me and maintain a consistent visual aesthetic. Now, let's dive into how you can create cinematic AI videos yourself. It all begins with Midjourney. I'm using the Midjourney online version, which you can access if you've generated at least 100 images in their Discord. Here's a prompt I used: a cinematic extreme close-up of an alien marketplace, shot on 35mm film with a teal and orange color grading, similar to IMAX. This gives us that rich, high-end look. But without a consistent style reference, your images may vary a lot. So, here's a tip. Use style references within Midjourney. I found a sci-fi market image that captures the vibe I'm going for. If you don't have one yet, no worries. You can experiment until you generate an image that matches your vision. Instead of just using the image reference tool, I'm using the style reference function, which focuses more on the colors, mood, and overall aesthetics rather than exact composition. When you're happy with your image, go ahead and hit enter to generate it. Now that we have our image, let's check out the results. I like the lighting on this one. The second one looks amazing too, but this one right here, it's the winner. Not only is the character unique, but there's something cool about the way he's holding bread, like he's casually shopping around the market. Before downloading, I'm going to subtle upscale the image to get maximum pixel quality, which is crucial for the next step. If you don't want to use Midjourney's upscale feature, you can use tools like Gigapixel or Magnify. Once you've got your high-res image, it's time to hop over to Runway. Simply go to runway.com. Hit the Try Runway button and jump into Gen-3. Upload your image into the drag and drop box, and now it's time to describe the shot. Here's how you should prompt within Runway Gen-3. Start by describing the camera movement. Is it a drone shot, a tracking shot, or maybe handheld? For this video, let's go with a handheld shot. After the colon, describe the scene. For this example, I'll say, an alien character looks around a crowded market. You can adjust the duration to 5 or 10 seconds. Usually, 5 seconds is enough for most shots, but if you're working on a dialogue scene, a longer clip might be useful. Don't forget to check the Remove Watermark option under Settings. I like generating 3 to 4 clips at a time for variety. It usually takes about a minute to generate. So while we wait, let me remind you that we have more AI filmmaking content available, including courses used by professionals at Netflix, Disney, and other major studios. Our clips are ready, so let's take a look. The first one looks okay, but not what I had in mind. The second one is too static, and the third one has some weird face morphing. Definitely not what I wanted. But the last one, perfect. The camera moves in nicely, and the alien's expression feels alive and dynamic. Once you're happy, you can download your clips. But before we wrap up, let me show you a quick comparison between Runway and other AI video tools, like Kyber and Luma Labs. Let's start with Kyber. As you can see, Kyber's movement looks okay, but the video quality isn't great. Luma Labs, on the other hand, offers dynamic scenes, but has a tendency to hallucinate new content that you didn't prompt for. You'll also need to use AI upscaling to make it HD, since Luma clips are small in resolution. Now, back to Runway Gen-3. Its strengths lie in dynamic camera moves, realistic faces, and overall cinematic quality. While Runway is more expensive, around $7 per minute of video, It's the best option if you're aiming for a professional finish. But what if you want to export your video in 4K or even 8K? That's where Topaz Video AI comes in. You can upscale your clips to ultra-high resolution with just a few clicks. Just drag and drop your clip into Topaz. Select 4K output, and you're good to go. For maximum quality, try using the Proteus or Real model, but note that these are intense on your machine. After exporting, you'll notice just how sharp and detailed the final video is. The wrinkles on the alien's face, the texture of their clothes, everything pops, giving you that cinematic feel we've been aiming for. I hope this tutorial helps you in creating stunning AI videos. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out more AI tutorials on this channel. For a free AI filmmaking course,